Over 80 people arrested following the gang rape of 8 women are back in the Krugersdorp Magistrate's Court this morning. The suspects, who also include 2 females, were apprehended last week, but they are yet to be linked to the rape and robbery of the crew that was attacked while shooting a music video there last Thursday. Let's bring you up to speed. Our reporter Malungelo Booi is outside the Krugersdorp Magistrate's Court. Malu, so several things need to unfold today in what really is the second appearance of these 80-odd suspects. For one, whether a identity parade has now been done.
That's right, Michelle. So today we'll get a clarity on whether that identity parade has been done, and also whether, Michelle, if it's been done, have authorities or the police then been able to link those suspects to the rape and robbery of that film crew, including those 8 models who we're told one of them was raped repeatedly by those 10 men. But also, Michelle, what we'll hear from the court today is whether these suspects will indeed be represented by legal aid. When they appeared here on Monday, majority of them, Michelle, said that they wanted to be represented by a state lawyer, meaning a legal aid lawyer, saying that they cannot afford, their own legal representative. Others, though, were clear, Michelle, that they want to represent themselves. For now, though, Michelle, what they've been charged with is for being in the country illegally. It was interesting, Michelle, when they appeared here in Monday, they appeared in groups of about 10. They were grouped in terms of the languages they spoke. Most of them come from countries including Lesotho, Zimbabwe and Mozambique, Michelle. Out of that 81, Michelle, 20 of them are minors, meaning they are juveniles, meaning they will be trialed separately from the rest of the suspects. And the youngest of them, Michelle, being only 14 years old.
The other issue, of course, Malungelo, is around DNA samples and whether any of those 80-odd suspects have been positively linked to the actual gang rape of those 8 young women. We spoke to Police Minister Cele just this week. He says despite the backlog, these DNA tests will be expedited.
That's right, Michelle. In fact, authorities are promising that everything possible will be done to make sure that this particular case really gets prioritized and that these families do get the justice that they deserve. As you have rightfully indicated, the minister on Sunday interacting with the victims of this crime and their relatives, assuring them that they'll do everything possible, Michelle, to make sure that, this matter gets the priority that it deserves. And of course, you and I know the issue of the DNA backlog in this country. And I suppose then, Michelle, all of that then will also become clear today when these suspects appear in court here in the Krugersdorp Magistrate's Court. But Michelle, we're also expecting a number of organizations to come out and protest as these men and 2 women appear here in the Krugersdorp Magistrate's Court. As we saw on Monday, a number of organizations, including the Operation Dudula, you and I know their stance on undocumented migrants. They were here on Monday, including Action SA. I actually even saw members of Freedom Front Plus, Michelle, and ANC Women's League protesting here, as well as community members. I can see earlier on, Michelle, I saw a vehicle of EFF. I'm not sure, Michelle, whether that political party or its supporters will also be among the people that will be protesting outside the Krugersdorp Magistrate's Court as those 81 suspects make their second court appearance.
You'll keep us up to speed as that case proceeds. Malungelo Booi, live to us there in Krugersdorp this morning. Thanks very much indeed.